Alright, let's go find John and Ollie. Oh, that wasn't too hard. Just look for the cutest little service dog here. Hi, buddy. Are you enjoying the sun? Are you having a fun day? What do you want to do now, Ollie, huh? You being a good boy? Look at you sitting there. It's minimal. I don't know. So we did find out the 14 by 14 is $105.
I can tell you how much this is.
How much?
Take a wild guess.
I don't know.
$4,300.
Oh, we'll take
Get
two.
the annual pass discount though.
Over here we have some chalk. How cool does that look, John? This is the picture, and then this is the chalk art that is started. It's not finished yet. That's pretty amazing. Oh, they have more stuff, I guess, to put in the picture. Oh, look at the Captain Hook one. This way.
Look at Deadpool.
That's
Wolverine. You can go in there. Go ahead. Film them all.
That one's cool looking. Oh, is it? Look at the orange bird one.
That's cool. That's really good.
I was just looking to see if I saw fish.
I don't know if I've ever seen that.
This one I really like.
Isn't that cool?
Orange bird. Look at this Walt one.
Hey, it's called Mickey.
That's awesome. This one looks really nice too.
This one's the best.
Yeah, this is pretty awesome. Deadpool, Figment, Wolverine, and Mickey.
Done yet,
So these paintings are Rob Haas. Super cute. So I'll have dogs in most of these pictures. Totally love them. This one's really cute. The sun's kind of glaring right now. These are fun. That one's really cute. Elephant.
There's a frog in a bat.
Oh, this elephant one is really cute.
Carolyn, it's a vacuum. It's the coon.
It's hard to walk around in here.
Don't
People
trust the coon.
do not move. All right, let's go take a look at some more artwork. Oh, I'm just loving these ones with the dogs. Really cute paintings. Oh, I guess I really like that one because I've shown it 3 times. We got some more over here. Got some cute turtles. Oh, you got the little otters. Oh, this Mickey and Minnie one is really nice here. It's really cute. People that love the water like us. This one's great. Oh, I definitely love the orange bird. Reminds me of when I was a little kid over in Magic Kingdom. People are buying these pieces of artwork up like crazy. The Daisy and Donald is just really adorable. Oh, here's more Star Wars. For all you Star Wars fans out there.
I'm not in line for tight game. This is the line and we're going. I think so.
Oops, sorry. Got the teacup painting. There's a painting over there with Ahsoka, an oil painting. It's almost $9,000. I tried to get it tomorrow. Everybody's standing in front of it.
Are you looking for the canvas wraps or for the... What's the price for the prints are $50, the canvas wraps are $60. Thank you.
These are some super beautiful paintings. Got the artist over there. Wow, look at all those dogs, right? Promenade Fine Arts. Wow.
Right?
Yeah, that's a lot of different Beauty and the Beast artists here. These are pretty cool. I guess this is like blown glass. That's cool. Oh, sorry. Hey, John. John, look at this Darth Vader.
Oh my god. That Darth Vader is legit.
That is awesome. We got the Mandalorian here. It's a nice Mickey and Minnie camping. And Captain America. Could you imagine that in the movie
I
room?
could imagine.
Wow, look at this piece of glass here. Big wave.
That's really nice too.
Yeah, it is.
That's nice.
Oh, my backpack is hitting something. Oh, I love the porthole with the manatee.
I want Ariel to be on a rock in the front.
Yeah.
There was one you wanted to point out, in the front, you said?
Oh my God, it looks like granite or something. Yeah, it's even the dress looks so legit. That's some more ice sculptures. It's not ice, glass. Looked like ice, that's why I said that.
Yeah, that one.
That's what you need if you have like a room that doesn't have a window,
Yeah.
right?
Your brother's house?
Exactly.
I don't think your brother even has one painting or a picture on his house.
No, he has a not a manatee. It's a fish. Yeah, it's nice sculptures.
If that was the other side.
Wow.
That would be awesome, right?
Yeah.
You know what side I'm talking about.
Look at that one, John, of
That's
Boardwalk.
awesome, too. Well, that's Boardwalk too, but that one's even better.
That is awesome. With the seashell, that's the one I would want in my bedroom. We got all the dwarfs here and Snow White. Why are you laughing at me?
All the dwarfs. These are beautiful.
Ariel, Tinkerbell, my favorite, Olaf. Oh, these are pretty awesome looking.
This is cool.
These metal. Wow.
Check that out.
The manatees are quite amazing, actually.
And that's normally,
Look at the mahi.
It's a little nerve-wracking because I'm signing on a radio.
These are awesome. There's the artist for those. Even have jewelry at the Festival of the Arts. Lots of jewelry here.
How much do you think these things are? How much are these?
I don't know. We asked once before. The Mickey one, I think, was close to $1,000. I remember last year. Hi, good, thank you. How are you?
Good. If you have any questions, just let me know.
Okay, thank you so much. Oops, sorry. These look like giant pressed pennies. These pieces of artwork. Quite nice. I like the Pluto, Goofy, hard to see. It's the way the sun's shining this time of day right now. Super cool. Great idea. Hi. Good, thanks. Did you see those giant? They're made to look like the pressed pennies.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
That's pretty clever, right?
That's very clever. I like it.
All right. Yep, and there's some more in there. Get that later.